This is about UFOs and rebuilding waterfalls. A guy called Viktor schauberger. And if you want to know about UFOs, if you want to know about vortex engines, anti-gravity flying discs, all that sort of stuff, it seems anomalous, but you got to understand water. The stealth, all these high-tech aircraft, they're the byproducts of the inventions of this guy. That's Viktor schauberger. He was working at a place called Peenemünde in the Second World War, and he knew water. He studied water intensely, and he built a couple of spacecraft which they called repulsines at that point in time. So what we're going to be doing here is turning this, which was a waterfall, back into a deep waterfall with this guy's knowledge.